Webcam models want to look sexy when they are doing their live shows. That is why they should not be fully clothed. They can wear sexy lingerie, wear bra and panties, or dress up for roleplay. You should indeed dress sexy, but you should not start showing yourself in panties and bra from the beginning. The idea is that you have several layers so you can gradually undress and show. Hi, I'm Stacy Sanchez, and in this video I'm going to teach you what are the best clothes you should wear for your webcam modeling shows. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to subscribe to alerts by hitting the small bell. Also make sure to subscribe to my free webcam modeling mini course by visiting my website www.modelingclub.webcam. Wearing panties on your webcam modeling shows. Make sure you buy a lot of panties because you're going to need them. They are very cheap, sexy, and you can sell them once you have used them to make money with them. Wearing lingerie on your webcam modeling shows. Wearing sexy lingerie and clothes can help you a lot when doing your webcam shows. Your public will notice when you put an extra effort to look attractive, and thanks to this, you will receive more money. What type of lingerie is best for cam models? There is no general criterion of what type of lingerie is best for cam models. Lingerie can be bra and panties or a teddy. Other models like to wear corsets, stockings, or garters. When you want to decide what type of lingerie you are going to use for your webcam shows, you must take into account the following criteria. Comfort. Make sure that you can move with this type of lingerie, that you can change positions. Make sure that when you do certain things, you feel comfortable. Functionality. Ask yourself the questions. Can I take off that kind of lingerie and put it back on by myself? Does it take me a long time to take it off and put it back on? When I'm taking it off, does it make me look less attractive? Prices. Is it worth the price you pay for this piece? Does it stain easily or sweat out easily when you are wearing it? Longevity. Is this piece of clothing of good quality? Breaks easily? Is it a price of clothing that you can wear more than once? The use of lingerie will increase my traffic and the number of visits. There is not a specific type of lingerie that makes customer wants to see more. Wearing lingerie as something additional makes your service extend since you are offering something beneficial. For example, if you're a dominatrix, you can use leather to make you look more badass. You can also make use of lingerie in cosplay to make the character you're playing look sexier. Does wearing lingerie make it easier to make videos than to do webcam shows? Due to the nature of lingerie and because of how it adjusts to the body, it is sometimes impossible to take it off on your own. That is why it is best that you use lingerie on your videos instead of doing webcam shows. When you make the videos, you are not in front of a live audience. Therefore, you can pause the video, edit it, remove scenes, etc. In this way, you can get more out of your outfit. There is a specific type of lingerie that you can use for your webcam shows. These are teddies, bracelets, sexy bra, thongs, V-strings, bandeau, high and tight stockings, and other easily removable items. Wearing garments or your webcam modeling shows. This includes all types of sexy lingerie, such as veiled stockings, bodysuits, garters, baby dolls, and fishnet suits. By using this type of garments, you can create a romantic and unique scene. There is a reason why these type of garments create a unique atmosphere and raise the temperature on any occasion. Wearing outfits on your webcam modeling shows. Role-playing is, without a doubt, an element that you can use to create a significant impact on your webcam shows. The most famous and successful webcam models have implemented this type of element as their best choice to entertain their audience and to expand their personal and market brand. Among those role-play elements, you can use the following: exercise clothes, a blazer when an executing skirt, a nurse costume, or a provocative lingerie. When you try these costumes and other lingerie, analyze how the type of fabric fits on your body. Think about what additional elements you could add to make the show more exciting. For example, you can wear sunglasses, make a hairstyle that goes according to the costume, makeup, and other accessories. What type of personality should you adopt for the outfit? Well, it all depends on how much creativity you want to put into your show. Yes, you should try to ensure that the clothes you wear are by the character you are playing in your shoes. In the same way, you must keep in mind the language you use, body expression, gestures, and so on. Unleash your imagination and let your visitors unleash their imagination also, at the same time with this virtual experience that you are creating and providing. Another good recommendation that I can give you is that you wear sports outfits such as sports socks, exercise clothes, and basic tops. These can be used for days when you want to relax more, like days where you want to feel much more comfortable during your show. In the same way, having different types of outfits will make your show much more interesting for the viewers. You can also buy costumes of another type to make your show something more fetish or niche-oriented. You can, for example, buy a schoolgirl costume. You can also buy a spanking handle to do your domination shows. Or you can also buy a teacher costume and add some glasses. Wearing accessories on your webcam modeling shows. Glasses, diadems, high heels, sandals are accessories that you can add to your shows. They are a complement to your outfit and costumes. They will make you give your show a unique and personal touch. You must update your closet. The word that best describes a camgirl's closet is diversity. You can have clothes like leather trousers, a dress, skirts, and sports sets. Having all this type of diversity makes you able to capture a larger audience, since your viewers have different personalities and different tastes. The idea is that you try to satisfy as many as you can among the viewers to increase your earnings. Wearing latex on your webcam modeling shows. Webcam models who are dominatrixes use latex more than any other type of camgirl. You can make use of them when the theme of your shows is something fetish. Making use of latex can be difficult for some girls, and you should keep in mind that it takes a special care. In case you're curious to add this type of material to your webcam shows, there are many things to learn about it. The great thing about latex is that no matter how big your body is or what shape it is, latex shapes your body and gives you curves and allows you to show up your boobs. There are many types of latex, so you should be very informed about which one suits you best. For example, there are fragile latex and allows you to have more fantastic sensation and mobility. Conclusion. Finally, I must tell you that it is essential to interact with your visitors to know their tastes and preferences. By doing that, you will have a significant advantage concerning your skills and make your shows much more unique and exclusive. You must keep in mind that your viewers will rank you based on how much you manage to impress them. That's why making use of all this type of clothing will make you achieve this goal and become a very famous and prosperous webcam model. After viewing this video, you should understand what are the best clothes you should wear for your webcam modeling shows. In case you don't understand something about this video, please use the comment area to ask your questions. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure to subscribe to alerts by hitting the small bell. Also make sure to subscribe to my free webcam modeling mini course by visiting my website www.modelingclub.webcam. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.